The pursuit of being different and receiving admiration. I noticed this about myself that I have WhatsApp on my PC just to share status with my contacts and to boost the viewership of my status. I am adding more contacts in my contacts without even truly having a chat or contact with those persons outside of transactional interaction in my shop. And this sudden realization of being this much consumed with the desire of being admired and seen differently in society at the same time struck with me the thought of how much of a hypocrite I am. And from all my life, I have learned it that if I'll still be concerned of others' opinion in my life more, more than mine, I choose the path myself in the dark side. And that time I will neither be able to blame myself nor the people whose opinions I was afraid of. And at the end, the people who cares the most about me will be the victims of my anger. I will have due to my failure caused by the fear. I must learn to accept and improve myself. I can't improve and work on my mistakes and fears if I don't accept them and begin the work to overcome those. It's always better to be the judge yourself and fail rather than being a petitioner and wait for someone considered high by the system to dictate and judge your life choices. And how can you live them? How you can live them? Honestly, I am not sure on what's been going on here cause I am expressing my experience and what I have noticed what I have noticed and learned from my life till this point after struggling and being in struggle now from the last few years, that whether it's advice or my story kind of thing or I will regret it or not, but I am sharing what's going inside my head, and it's the step of tackling my biggest fear, which is being real and authentic in public and sharing my raw version to people instead of being a fake one. I have been. I am not taking the jump at the very beginning. Instead, I am more inclined towards taking small steps every day and tackle my fears slowly, turn it off completely, and make it my strength. This was the first time ever in my life I have listened to my whole talk to myself without any pause. So that's why I uploaded it on YouTube to also kill my social fear of judgment. And at last, I was feeling lost while reading this journal I wrote yesterday. Not yesterday, in the current time, just before recording this voiceover. I am not that fluent in English, but as of now, I am not also that much confident in the mother tongue. of my own, because I struggle with pronouncing some specific words from my mother tongue that degrades the motivation and confidence I gather to myself here. While recording this voice, I have been constantly trying to be uniform and sound a little clear, and, and my sound doesn't feel like a crack in ears. It doesn't, it shouldn't irritate someone hearing my voice. That's why the, s- the tone of my voice is constantly appears to be changing to me. That's all what I have for now.